Hey. So. Hey. So we're doing. I don't know what we're doing.
All I care about is
Nah, I don't know what it is. It's probably if a baby dog can be. No. Attacker dog.
Go.
Guard dog.
We have to go.
We must see where attacker dog.
We have to go this way.
No. They're fighting. Ah! Guys, guys, we're getting attacked. I'm gonna stay right here. Get you a battle. Ah! Dog sniper! Dog sniper! Guard dog and dog sniper. Go dog sniper. I'm rooting for you. Dog sniper. Ha ha ha. Guard dog is circling. Sniper dog is under arrest.
We've seen everybody's trying to stop buying, everybody's stopped spending. Yeah, they're like, everybody's deciding everything.
They're attacking. The fight goes. Sniper dog versus guard dog. Sniper dog is young and playful, but guard dog is old but wise. Fight, fight, fight. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, Chewy. You probably want to get your Chewy package, right?
Yeah. And back to the battle. Behind you! She's coming!
Leave in the comments who you think are you rooting? Who you think is the best? Guard dog 2, sniper dog, or guard dog 1? YouTube.
I mean, they have so
Sniper dog and guard dog 1 are fighting. Guard dog 1 is white. Sniper dog is black, white, and brown.
Oh my. Well, and it's
The amazing bite attack. Fight, sniper dog, fight! Whose side are you on? I'm on sniper dog too. Ah! Let's go see what Jude has to say. Ah! Sniper dog and guard dog 1 may be friending.
get this squared away. Well, and you don't want to
Guard dog is guarding. Oh my gosh. Are they friending? They might be friending. I think they're friending. Hey guys, that's the end of the video. That's the end of the video for now. Comment down below what you think we should do. Should we do a top... Do you want to do a top 10 video or another video? We got some stuff up our sleeve. Also, ask for some more top 10 videos. Leave in the comments below.